Okay, everyone, welcome to Citizen Media. We're going to come this page from the activistpost.com, and its court decision could lead to EPA banning water fluoridation. Now, we all know that having fluoride in your water, I think originally, well, as far as on this side of the screen, I think originally that the fluoridation was for tooth decay and all that good stuff, because you want to link fluoride with teeth and teeth health. So anyhow, so they're in court right now. Yes, the EPA is in court, and there's a case out there to ban fluoridation of the water, but they must require the EPA to send all the information they have to the judge so they can make an actual decision based on facts and not just, opinions or anything else that's circumstantial. So EPA is denied giving them this information. Now, if you're going to try to hide information, I mean, I can understand if it's FBI or, anything that's possibly locally, not even really locally, your law enforcement, but most likely FBI and stuff where it becomes a more of a confidentially matter. But this is just fluoride in water. So what are they hiding? What scientific results do they have that they don't want to release to the judge to let him make a formulated decision? So basically what this means is the court's ruling means that the trial will now have larger implications for legality of water fluoridation. If the coalition of the fluoride opponents is successful in this lawsuit, the EPA may be forced to reconsider the petition to ban water fluoridation. So the EPA has refused to provide the information that the court has asked for. So this is a little concerning. It almost proves the fact that everybody's been saying the entire time and being labeled as conspiracy theorists. But have you ever noticed that a lot of things that people have been labeled as conspiracy theorists or conspiracies have come true? There's a lot of instances where they've come true and they've been labeled as, ignorant people. And when these things are proven to be fact, and especially when the EPA is not turning over evidence over fluoride information, then there's something to that. I mean, that's just a proven guilt right there. So let's see if we see anything else in this article real quick, since I have a little more time. I've actually read through this, but there is a couple little tidbits in here. So the EPA was acting under the motion that the court specifically held that phrase de novo proceeding indicates that Congress intended a broad scope of review, because the word proceeding, see, they're going with very legal terms here and trying to spin the words a little bit, encompasses all regular activities of a lawsuit, including discovery beyond the administrative record, because the purpose of the TSCA is to protect the public from chemicals that pose unreasonable risk to health and the environment. The court held that the, in brackets A, de novo proceeding in district court modeled after traditional trial-like proceedings would not conflict with the purpose of the TSCA, but would instead infatuate it. The court's ruling means that the trial will now have larger implications for legality of water fluoridation. If the coalition of fluoride opponents is successful in their lawsuit, the EPA may be forced to reconsider the petition to ban water fluoridation. And what is fluoride? Well, everybody knows what fluoride is. I explain to you, the scientific, it gets a little boring right there. But you're more than welcome to scroll that article. I will post it in a link. But this is very interesting. The court, I've got a feeling that the EPA might be a little bit stronger than our courts, but let's hope not. Let's hope that the evidence comes out. Let's hope that we actually see what they've been doing to us for many, many years that they've been hiding, because fluoridation of water is most likely linked to a lot of diseases out there. And they just don't want to release that for whatever reason. Most likely population control. So, but anyway, tell us what you guys think. Post a link, post anything that you have that contradicts this story, because we'd love to hear it. Please comment, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please, 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 please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are just getting started, so we are going to make mistakes along the way. We're not, we don't script anything out. We look at the story, we read it, and we speak our minds. So you can rest assured that we're about being as real as possible. And we look forward to everybody subscribing and liking. We also are on Facebook as well, so please search us on Citizen Media, The Real American Stories, under Facebook, and feel free to like us there as well. And we're right now at this moment, we're posting back and forth, Facebook, YouTube, but we're going to be doing interviews as well for teachers in certain aspects, and possibly a government official and a couple others. So if you wouldn't mind, please subscribe, and we need to keep pushing forward and waking up as many sheeple as possible. So that's all I have on this story, and we're out.